If you ever wondered why we Austrians are so strong like Arnold Schwarzenegger, it is because we are always in the mountains and we breathe this fresh air and we eat and drink cows and we exercise with everything that is around us, even our children actually. Let's go, I will show you how to do the exercises. So, the first exercise is you stand here, I kneel here, you put your hands on my hands and we push to transfer weight, because weight is very valuable. It makes you strong. You feel the strength coming? Yes, great. Come. Now, I lay here and you step on my hands. So you give me more weight. Okay? And I exercise. And 1, 2, 3. And you go down. And up. And down. And up. And for this exercise, it's very important you have someone you really trust next to you to catch your baby if it falls. Now, you stand with one foot, one foot, one foot. I'm the one who catches. You stretch your legs. You bend your legs. Stretch your legs. You bend your legs. The next exercise is with 2 feet and you fly, okay my dear? Yeah. You go a bit back.
Hold yourself and we fly.
Wow. So you stretch, you bend, you stretch, you bend, and now you fly like a bird. Legs up, more up, yes. And you keep the balance. Like I keep the balance, you keep the balance. And legs and hands into the air. Yeah. Skydiving. Yeah. I got it. So one more exercise for you and your child. Push the power is here. Your child presses up. And yeah, you go into a handstand. Push into a handstand. Alright, this is good. You step on. And stand up. Stand up. Push the pelvis out. Exactly. And if you feel the weight of one child is too small, make another one. Okay? And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 8 is good. Oh, good. They also like a lot to twist and fly and twist and shout and twist. Oh, my hair. Crazy. And he spit in my face. That's the hard work. Don't make him fail. So, next step is, there are the cows. I am the horse. You ride me. This one we put in safety. And now you arch and cut. Ouch. And cut. Ouch. And cut. Ouch. And cut. And now you stand on my back. And in this position, actually, it does not matter what you do. Your child will love it. They will just use you as a toy. Okay? And arch and cut. Arch and cut. Arch and cut. So, now you do something with me. And great thing to make, like you transform from horse to downward facing dog. So the child rides the dog. And you stretch. You can bend your arm and you come back and down and up, down and up. And that's the first step to the really challenging physical exercises. That's all about push-ups. All about push-ups. So, with the child on your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. And if you cannot anymore, then you go to the cardio exercises. And in case your child doesn't cooperate anymore with all this stuff, the cardio exercise will always work and they can't get enough of it. So you get up, cardio exercise looks like this. You turn around, you stretch your legs, I catch you on the legs and I throw you up and land here, and then bungee jumping, bungee jump, woo, and cardio. And when you have enough, put it down, and then what comes? Say it. Say it. What do you want?
Noch einmal.
What do you want? You don't say, but usually what would come is more, please more, give me more. So, and we turn. You can change this to different directions. If you do it with the arms, be sure the shoulders of your child are strong enough to handle it. But we did this a lot. My child's shoulders are strong enough. So, with all these exercises, it's very important you start nice and slow and build it up step by step. In the best case would be you have your partner next to you to support you with all his or her power. And you know, our Austrian strength is the physical. And that's why I taught you how to work out with your children. But if you want to learn how to make your children work out, in the next video my wife will show you, because she's not Austrian, she has different ways to treat that. Subscribe and see you in the next one.